The the third practical in that the group C for power electronics MSc first year. The title is that the practical determination of that the IL and IH, and that the aim for that the practical to the determine latching current IL and that the holding current IH. Here the demo for that the determination of the IL and IH we see for that the previous link in that the used for that the apparatus is that the SCR power supply resistor multimeter. Here the circuit diagram shows the power for that the 12 volt here connected for that the trigger for that the pulse in that the SCR, and that the current meter also current meter uh, determination for that the latching current and that the holding current. Here my observation for that the holding current is that the IH is that the 0.02 micro ampere, and that the latching current is that the IL is that the 0.07 micro ampere. For that the observation table, here the my observation for that the voltage applied for in volt, and that the voltage for that the anode to through SCR anode to cathode, and that the current for that the IA in milliampere. Whereas the voltage is applied that the in volt for that the 11 till 9 in that the decrement for that the 0 series, and that the voltage anode to cathode for that the major for that the demo lecture in that the 0.63 for that the voltage applied in that the 11, and at that the time the current in that the microampere for that the 10.23 in that the 10, whereas the VAK is that the 0.63, and whereas that the IA is that the 9.25. Here shows for that the observation number 7 voltage applied in that the volt 5 volt, whereas the VAK is that the increasing for that the 0.01, that means the 0.64, and that the IA is that the decreasing for that the 4.30 milliampere, and that the voltage observation number for that the 11 is that the voltage applied in that the 1 volt, whereas the VAK is that the 0.62, and that the IA is that the 0.51, and that the last one is the observation is that the 0 volt is applied, then VAK is that the 0.58, and that the IA is that the 0.17 milliampere. In that the holding current and that the latching current for that the SCR, in that the SCR is the 3 terminal. These are the anode, cathode and gate. It has the 4 layer, that means the PN. There 3 junction J1, J2 and J3. SCR is a unidirectional device that block current flow for that the cathode to anode. The SCR also block the current flow from that the anode to cathode until it is the triggered into that the conduction. In that the SCR characteristics for that the IV characteristics of that the SCR can be divided into that the 3 region operation. First is operation is that the reverse blocking mode, second one operation is that the forward blocking mode, and third one operation is that the forward conduction mode. In that the SCR, the latching current IL is that the latching current may be the defined as the minimum value of a anode current that must be flow through that the SCR during the turn on process. To that the latch for that the SCR is forward conduction mode when the gate signal is removed. If the gate current is the reduces to 0 before the rising anode current, and that the attains for that the value called that the latching current, then the SCR is turned off again. The typical value of that the latching current of the order 10 to 15 milliampere, which is more than that of that the holding current. The value of that the latching current and holding current are constant and does not depends on that the gate current magnitude, whereas that the if the forward current is less than the latching current, then the SCR cannot the turn on. Then second one for that the holding current. The holding current may be defined as the minimum value of that the anode current that flows through that the SCR to keep if that the forward conduction mode. If the anode current falls below the holding current, then the SCR get turned off. So the holding current also defined as the minimum current flows through the SCR below the which is SCR gets turned off. Once the SCR is conducting gate loses control, there the SCR can be the turn off only, and if the current is Ig following below the holding current. The typical value of that the holding current of that the SCR is that the 8 milliampere to that the 10 milliampere. The holding current is that the effective at the timing of that the turning of the SCR. Here the my observation, whereas the graph shows for that the IL and that the IH, that means the holding current and that the latching current, where for that the x-axis is that the applied voltage in volt and that the y-axis it is the current for that the in milliampere, whereas that the thus the we studied for that the IL and that the IH determination. In this the we observe that the latching current is greater than that the holding current. That means the on that the inspection for that the graph and the observer data, it is concluded that the latching current is greater than that the holding current.